Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you are considering buying a Hatch Restore alarm clock, but that $200 price tag is just a little bit steep for you, and you're looking for something that will kind of do the same thing for quite a bit cheaper. So I would suggest that you take a look at this Vivilumens Sunrise alarm clock. They're quite a bit cheaper. They're about 50 bucks, and they do the basic things that the Restore does. Namely, that you can set the timer on your phone and everything like that, and it will have different lighting sequences for both wake up and bedtime preparation, as well as white noise and different sounds, all controllable by an app. Now, the Hatch Restore is also great. It's a beautiful device. It does a lot of awesome things. They're really both great. But if you're not looking to spend the $200, consider this Vivilumens. So I'll go ahead and put a link to both of them in the description, and you can kind of check them both out and see which one you prefer. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.